In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Odoo. Let's get started right from your main Odoo screen. Once you're logged in, look toward the upper right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. Depending on your setup, this might be your initials, an avatar, or a small user image. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is where Odoo groups all of your personal account options and settings, so anytime you want to adjust how Odoo looks or behaves for you, this is usually the first place to go. After you click on the profile icon, a small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option labeled My Preferences. Click on My Preferences to open your personal settings page. This page controls things like your language, time zone, notification settings, and of course, your theme. Think of it as your own space in Odoo where you can customize the experience without affecting other users in the system. Once the My Preferences page is open, take a moment to look around. You'll see different sections related to your user account. What we're interested in is the area related to appearance and layout, usually labeled as Theme or clearly grouped under a Visual Settings section. Scroll if you need to, and navigate to the Theme section. Here, you'll see the theme options that are available for your Odoo environment. Depending on how your system is configured, you might have a light theme, a dark theme, or several color and style variations. Select the theme you want to use by clicking on it or choosing it from a drop-down, depending on the interface. As you pick a theme, think about readability and comfort, especially if you work in Odoo for long periods. For example, a darker theme can be easier on the eyes in low-light environments, while a lighter theme can feel cleaner and more familiar during the day. After you've chosen your preferred theme, you need to save the change so it actually takes effect. Look for the button labeled Update Preferences at the bottom or top of the page. Click on Update Preferences to apply your new theme.